All right, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to do some math. Are there any problems you want me to go over from the practice final? Hey, we have a student here. Anyone particularly?
Can you go over 10, 11, and 20?
10, 11, 20? Yeah, but I forgot that I'm paralyzed and I can't move. And can you be more specific on what was troubling you? Hey, Pepe, what are you doing? Oh, sorry, guys. Pepe is me. Good. Pepe, and I appreciate your efforts, but you forgot that you can't move. But no worries, I got you. I got the problems up here. So were these the ones you wanted to go over?
Yeah.
Literally equations. Okay, so we were also doing a lesson on row guy versus show guy, which I'll go over maybe later. That's top secret. But let's go over how we solve this. So here we're going to solve for C. This is a formula dealing with temperature in America and then like other countries that are cool like us. Fahrenheit is what we use for temperature, and that's equal to 9/5 times C with low dot plus 32. And let me switch to another color, red, because that's what it is. Now, hey, Bebe, you paying attention? Oh, you can see on the screen. Okay, my bad. Got you. No worries. Making sure. We need to get rid of this 32, right? So we minus 32 from each side. Cross that off. Actually, let's leave this open. Throw that away. And we go, we'll have F, excuse me, Pepe. F minus 32 equals 9/5 C times C. What are we doing here? You got rid of this fraction, remember? Oh yeah. Now, to do that, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. But the reciprocal of 9/5 is 5/9. And we multiply this entire group by 5/9. See? These cancel. And we get 5/9 times the quantity, so in parentheses, times F minus 32 in parentheses. So 5/9 times the quantity of F minus 32 equals C. We box it to make it official. Nice. Let's make the C look better. That's a terrible looking. Yeah, that C is not even good either. You got it. This whiteboard is acting a little strange. What the? Don't judge you guys. It's still, there's an earthquake going on right now. Anyways, all right, so here we go. So there we go. So problem 11. B over C minus D equals F. The letters of the alphabet are the letters of the grade in alphabet. So we want to get B by itself. So many markers and pencils. So what do we do to first get B by itself? We can first draw a line here, and we're going to add D to each side, like so. Now, when you have problems like this, let me mention first, don't get scared because these are all letters. You're like, oh, what happens? I don't know how to solve these. These letters just stand for numbers. So treat them just like numbers. And this is like a 5, a 4, a 3, and it's all good. We just don't know what the numbers are. So we treat them as they are, numbers. B over C, B divided by C equals F plus D. All right? And we got a fraction here. So to get rid of the fraction, what do we got to do? We got to multiply by it. Yeah, that's good. Hey, you want a front row C? Yeah, nice. Now you're safe. Anyways, and we're multiplied by C or C over 1. You want to look at it that way. Multiply this by C. And we will then have this cancel. And we'll get B equals, we go down low, F plus D times C. Yeah, you can also write it like this, Pepe. That's right. You can write it as B equals CF plus DC. Good point. And feel free to ask me any questions. You need me to go over something? Yeah, what's your question? Student, over there. On number 10?
Yeah, why did you add the C at the end?
Add the C?
Wait, no, on number 11. When you were on the other side. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So here we just have, we get rid of the d, so we go b over c equals f plus d. So let me write it again over here. So b over c equals f plus d. Okay, after the first step, right? To get rid of that c, what do? Right now we're dividing by c, so we multiply each side by c. So we're not adding c, we're multiplying. So we put that whole thing in parentheses. So you can actually leave your final answer like this. That's one way, that's fine. Or you can, be cool and like Pepe say, you can distribute it and get b equals cf plus dc.
Okay, I got it.
Cool, very good. Good question. Solve for RH. We want to get this guy by itself. So dp. Pay attention. Get distracted. It's all right. It's all good. Let's get rid of this t. By subtracting it, minus t. Now we're gonna get dp, and what we're gonna do is erase this because it's feeling that way. dp minus t equals negative 9/25. Negative 9/25. Times the quantity of 100 minus RH. And feel free to stop me at any point when you have a question, or maybe to re-explain something. Again, I'll hand. All right, we gotta get rid of this. Negative 9/25. So what we're gonna do is multiply both sides by negative 25 over 9. Right? Let me actually make another neater one because I hate squeezing stuff. So we're gonna erase this one. All right. Oh, just want to use the space. So we have dp, right? Minus t. dp minus t equals, we're going to multiply both sides by negative 25 over 9. So in the red. Negative 25 over 9 times negative 9 over 25. Which is what we originally had, right? And we had 100 minus RH in the parentheses. 100 minus RH. Erasing that. And let's multiply this on the left side. So we create these parentheses. And we get negative 25 over 9 on the left as well. So we're multiplying both sides by this. So far, so good? And we do that because we can cancel those out. Then on the right side only, we get 100 minus RH. So far, so good? Right side recap that. And we can leave this like this if you want. Don't worry about distributing it. So I will just leave it like that. I'm just going to change the color on that. dp minus t. And the equal sign is right here. So we're going to make our or divider line there. And we just really have one more step, two kind of, but really just one main one. We got to get rid of this 100 because we're solving for RH. So to get rid of the 100, we subtract it. The minus 100 from each side. This will cancel. So on the right, we have negative RH. This, just add that to the tail end. Don't worry about how cool or weird looking it looks, because who cares about looks, I mean, as long as it looks cool, it's all good. So we have negative 25 over 9 times dp minus t minus 100. So do it after. All right. And then we just got one more thing to do. Because remember, we have negative RH. We want the positive RH. So what do? We multiply by negative 1. That's right. Or you can think of it as what? Divided by negative 1. That's right, Pepe. You're learning. Very good. So with that, we will use our red marker by dividing by negative 1. And let's actually, throw guy won't go away. Dividing this whole thing, this by negative 1, and that by negative 1. Yeah. So the right side becomes positive, And I'm going to write this final answer over here. I didn't realize how big I wrote. But you know, when you're excited, you got to write big because that's a big deal. So we go over here. Right side, we get RH. On the left side, these negatives go away. So it's just 25 over 9. 25, gotta get down low, 25 over 9. That becomes positive. dq minus t stays inside the parentheses. Now what happens to this? It becomes positive 100 plus 100. And there we go. So there's to it. That was cool. I really want to do problems like that. You're saying you only want problems like that on your final? Should I do that for the kids? Yeah. I guess not. You know, maybe next time. Yeah, maybe next time. But I'll do it anyways. Yeah. Any questions? You guys good? All right. Well, make sure you guys comment about how great this video was. No, but feedback is always helpful. Don't worry, I can take criticism because I'm always trying to improve. And make sure you like, subscribe, and tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your parents, tell everybody, even your enemies, even your foes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Bye.